Okay, so we're gonna be installing halos on my buddy's E90, who, by the way, there you go. So we're trying to take this old lens out, and then these are the halos he got. So they just sit in there like that. We already tested these, they work. So, and then, yeah, it's gonna look pretty sick. And then these are the turn signals, so. Alright, so we've been doing this for like, how long?
2 hours.
2 hours a day? Yeah, something like that. And shit's not going. So this is what it looked like. So we didn't heat it up because he tried to heat it up already and it didn't work. So we're just like cutting through the fucking sealer. But yeah.
Fuck. Fuck. Well, here, we'll leave that there. Bro, no one's gonna take advice from this video. They're gonna look at me like, nah. Fam. Click that hoe away.
Alright, thanks for watching. Ready? Just yank on that bitch. There we go.
It's terrible.
As you can see, this is an effective method. It causes no damage whatsoever. Headlight looks great.
Intact.
Perfectly intact. It only took us 4.5 hours.